Welcome to the Crypto Ninja channel. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin did get a dump to the downside. What am I doing? Well, I'm trying to hope for some kind of inverted head and shoulders here. So I did take a long with a stop below this last local wick because we were oversold on the 15-minute time frame. I don't like how the stochastics are curving up on the RSI. 1 hour is very oversold as well, but you are below the 200. Anytime that happens, I do eventually look for the 2 hour to lose it, which you did. The 3 hour would be the next stop. Which is currently sitting at the price. Actually, we're below the 3 hour 200. So at this point, we'll see what happens. I'm hoping for a bounce here, and if we don't get a bounce, then I will flip short on the 1 hour time frame. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to open the short on the 1 hour unless we stay below the 200, and I don't want to open that short if I do open it until we get overbought on the RSI. So right now, that's a short that could be happening later today if the 15 doesn't bounce here. But again, my stop loss is below this last local wick here at 88,200 or something like that. So that's kind of what I got going on. This is my update. I could see a bounce coming here because the 1 hour is oversold. I believe the 4 hours oversold as well. 6 hours not oversold, but the 4 hour and less time frames are. The downside is you're below the 200. You made a lower high in the 4 hour. So the trend is not your friend if you're trying to long. But I will say that I'm looking for a bounce here. And if you don't get one, then my other idea later today when you get overbought in the 1 hour is to open a short here. If we stay below 90,700, the 1 hour 200. So if the 1 hour gets back above that level, by the time it gets overbought, then that probably means I won the short or the long that I'm making right now. But if it, but later today, if you don't get back above it, by the time this 1 hour gets overbought on the stochastics RSI, I'll open a short. So we'll see what happens. But for right now, I am long with a stop below the last local low. It doesn't look fantastic right now, but this could be a trade that could take a few hours. And my take profit for this trade is right now, it's only worth 0.06 Bitcoin. I'm still my bit get long. My take profit for this current position is $90,800, $90,700. But yeah, so we'll see what happens, and I will see you guys in the next one. This is just my update. This is what I'm doing right now. I want to post this before we really do start to pump, if that's what happens. It looks kind of good. I'm back to, actually, I entered this trade at 885, so I'm not quite back to break even, but it doesn't look bad. I'll see you guys in the next one, yeah, I will be live tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Central Time as well on YouTube and TikTok.